Good morning, friends.
Good morning.
Hopefully you're staying warm because it's cold here. We're going to have some fun doing a science experiment, and then we're going to read a story. So we're going to try a rainbow jar and see what happens. You can use different items at home too. First of all, you need a clear jar. Then you need a cup. You definitely have to have some water. And then we chose to use gel, conditioner, syrup, and corn oil. We also have droppers. But what you need to do is you need to make sure you put the same amount of all these ingredients in your jar. Start out with water?
Yeah.
We're going to start with water.
Make sure every item need to be same amount.
So I filled it to the top of this line and I'm going to dump it in. Then
This is the first item, so you can dump it in. The next one, we're gonna use our droppers. Okay, Miss Angie, which one should we try?
Chet, which one should we try?
Gel. Gel. Okay.
We have our little helper Chet here today. That's why we have our mask on.
Oh, that's right. Okay, we need to have same amount. So Miss Angie say reach that line, so I'm gonna reach that line. A little bit more. Okay, Miss Angie, you go first.
So there's it. It's filled to our line. We're going to put it in our dropper. It's not going to work in the dropper. It won't work in the dropper.
It won't work because it's too thick.
Yeah, it's not going to work.
Okay.
So the gel is too thick to put in the dropper. Chet's trying it, but it's just not working. Use those muscles, Chet. Is it working? Or are we going to have to dump it?
Dump it.
We have to dump it? Okay, we're just going to dump it in. Uh-oh. Why is it stuck to the cup, Chet? Is it a solid or is it a liquid?
Liquid.
But they kind of chunk, huh? Okay. Let's see Miss Angie can get it all out or not. Whoa, look at how pretty it is.
All right, so we have our gel in there.
It's like a galaxy.
Okay.
Like a moon.
Okay, what shall we do next, Mr. Chet? We should do oil?
Oil.
Oh, okay,
Oil.
we do oil. Woo.
All right, Chet says we're going to do oil. Is that a solid or a liquid, Chet? Do you know? Is that a liquid or is it a solid?
Huh, he's thinking. Okay. Make sure the same amount. No, Chet, no. Oh, okay, it's the same amount. Miss Angie, are you ready to drop?
We're ready. We got our tweezer.
You cannot drop. Chet, you have to do it on the line, okay? On the edge.
We're going to start dropping it in.
You make sure to do it on the edge.
We're going to see what happens with our oil.
Okay, you see, you have to reach the edge, okay? You cannot just drop it in. They won't separate.
Just dump it.
No, you dump it, they won't separate, okay? Make sure you drop around the edge so they won't mix that together.
Let's see what happens once we get the oil in here. You can talk about sink and float again.
Oh, that's true.
And your solid and your liquids. Slowly putting all of our oil in.
Wow, it's so pretty from this angle. I will show you guys after we dump everything in. It's like the sky.
It's like a moon.
Like a moon,
Like
huh?
the moon?
Wow, so pretty.
It's green and blue, and that's why I like a blue.
Yeah.
You can see the shining, huh?
Ooh,
It's like
look at
a
that.
moon.
Yeah, it's so pretty. Wow.
Almost have it all.
Almost.
And then we're going to dump this wee little bit in.
Really slow. Okay, okay. Wow, so pretty from this angle. I will show you guys after we dump everything in. It's like the sky.
Really slow. The slower you put it in, the better it works.
Okay, you can see a little bit the blue
It's the syrup.
at the bottom and the
Mommy,
yellow and the
it's the
water.
It's the syrup.
Okay, let's try the syrup.
Chet says syrup next.
Make sure you have the same amount.
Fill it to the line, Miss Nancy.
Yeah, I will try. Oh,
Chet, is this a solid or a liquid again?
Liquid.
Liquid.
Okay.
Good job.
Let's do this.
All right, we're gonna start filling it up, putting the syrup
Oh,
in.
no, you have to drop it or not. Your hand is not.
Okay, we're gonna go
Your
over
hand
to
is
the
not long
side
enough,
and we're gonna
okay?
see if it sinks or floats. And what
See what you're
happens?
doing? You have to drop.
I will. Do it.
Okay. Make sure to the line, okay? On
I
the
will
edge.
do it.
Let me say you do it first, and then you do it. The edge. Check. You need to be on the edge. Okay. Otherwise, it won't work.
Make sure you go to the side with it.
Okay, I got
Okay.
Fine.
You gotta go over to the
Can you sit
side.
down, please?
See how I'm hitting the jar and
See
letting
what
it
Sandy
slide
doing?
down the slide? It's like it's a slide. Boom, right into the water.
Ooh. It's getting really pretty. Look. You see that? They are now combined together. They are kind of separate, but still really pretty.
Chet, is it mixing together or is it separating?
It mixing together.
It is?
You can.
Is it sinking or floating?
Floating.
Floating?
Ooh.
Floating and sinking.
Floating and sinking at the same time.
And why is the oil sinking?
Yeah, I
The
see that.
oil's
Huh?
sinking?
Oh, I think that's the syrup. The oil is still on the top. The
Wow.
syrup is going down.
Kind of looks like a lava lamp going down.
Oh, isn't it?
We make a tornado.
Oh, yeah?
We make it on tornado.
Yeah. Almost done with our syrup.
Wow, really pretty.
That looks like poop.
Sure, well, it does, Spot. Thank you. Okay, we got a last one. It's the conditioner. Make sure you got 7 ml.
Last item. Is it a solid or a liquid?
Uh-oh.
What would you call that? A solid or a liquid? A solid, probably, huh?
Kind of between.
Kind of in
poured it.
between.
He poured it.
Oh, chill, Wells.
All right, make sure we have the same amount. Chet, is it separated or is it mixing?
Mixing.
Ooh, look at that.
Oh, so
There's brown on the bottom, blue in the
Wait,
middle,
can I
and the
just drop,
oil
okay?
on the top.
You cannot just drop. You
So
have
we've
to
got
look in the
3
center.
different layers. Now we're gonna try
Thank you.
the conditioner and see what happens. Once again, we filled it to the line. We're gonna put it in slowly.
Wow, the conditioner
And
is gonna go
see
really slow.
What happened?
Probably not. They kind of go down kind of fast than what I expect. Whoa. Oh, they're like dropping.
It was floating.
Yeah.
It was floating.
Look like floating, huh? Let's see.
Oh.
It's going, it's going.
That is floating like that.
Wow. Okay. Might do it. Thank you. Okay,
Chet, is it floating or sinking?
It's helping you.
Is the conditioner floating or
Can
sinking,
you
Chet?
look? Can you look and tell your friend
What's it doing? Can you tell your friend?
what's the hair conditioner is doing?
Is it floating or is it sinking?
Can you tell?
It doesn't want to come out. Wow, smells pretty crazy. This conditioner smells good.
But I got flour. Oh, did you guys see that?
Oh my goodness.
I think it refused to go down, Miss Angie. They want to stay on top. Or maybe a little bit under the oil. They kind of between. If you don't have dropper, you can always use the straw to make your liquid go down slowly in the edge.
The slower it goes down, the better it works.
Any kind of liquid you can try at home and see what kind of result coming out.
So much.
Almost done.
Almost.
Just gonna have to.
No more. Let me see if you do the last one. Let's see how pretty it's gonna be.
If it goes in there.
Whoa!
It's sticking to my cup. It doesn't
It's
want to
okay.
go.
He said it drops out, but it's okay. We can always clean up, okay?
That's
Okay,
the
my
fun
friend.
of a science experiment, getting messy.
You see that? Try any liquid you have at home and see what kind of result you have. We're trying to make a rainbow jar, so if we can find different colors, we'll have a different result. Okay, we're gonna clean up and see you next time.
Bye, friends.
Bye.